Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come for Karnataka Bank mock interview. Karnataka Bank mock interview. Yeah, I'm waiting for the candidate to come. Let her or let him come. Then we can go ahead with it. Yeah. Yeah. Sushma, please unmute.
Yes, sir, I have unmuted.
Yeah. Shall I go for live YouTube so that we don't have to record and all? Okay for you? Acha, you don't want? Because you are coming with video. No, correct. Not required. Not required. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Sushma, please. This is second interview for you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I cannot see your face.
Oh. No. Now am I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine. Please tell me, Sushma, because this question cannot be avoided. There also, again, they may ask you to tell about yourself. You tell briefly, because I know that day you talked about yourself detail. Now, because I have to go into banking questions, I will go into that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Sushma A. I come from Hassan district of Karnataka. I have completed my Bachelor's of Science in Chemistry, Botany and Zoology in 2021 from University of Mysore with a CGPA of 9.2. I have also got the gold medal for academics from the University of Mysore. I live in a family of 6 members with my father, mother, grandparents, and I have a younger sibling. My hobbies are trekking, cooking, and reading non-fiction books.
Oh,
After my graduation, I have started to prepare for my banking exams. Thank you, sir.
good. For you, of course, you have got the day itself, you must have experienced. Because you are told about trekking, there can be more questions on that. I have asked those questions that day itself.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go into, have you prepared about banking, please?
Yes, sir. I have prepared. I must see, sir, how I'll perform today.
Yeah. Please tell me, what do you understand by banking?
So banking, it is a process of accepting the deposits from the customers, which will be the liability to the banks, and they provide loans to the customers, which will be the asset to the banks according to the Section 5B of the Banking Act 1949.
Good, very good. Now, what are the various ways by which banks are getting income for themselves?
Sir, banks are majorly getting the income from the interest earned by giving certain kinds of loan like car loan, home loan, education loan, personal loan, and they put maintenance charges for the maintenance of cards and accounts. And banks also invest in the government securities, so they'll earn interest from that, and they'll also invest in the stock market. They'll get the dividend.
Super. You said about stock market. Stock markets are regulated by whom? And tell
So,
something
SEBI.
about that. Tell a few points about that.
SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, which is a statutory body which regulates the capital market in India. Capital market consists of two types, that is primary market and the secondary market, where the people can invest the money and borrowers will borrow from there.
Capital, can you please tell me what is the capital market?
Capital market is a place where people can invest their money and borrowers will borrow the money from there.
The definition, I think it is not that very correct. Let me see.
Sir, actually, in this points, I think I should gain some more knowledge regarding to stocks.
Capital markets or financial markets that bring buyers and sellers together to trade stocks, bonds, currencies, and other financial assets. Purinjida,
Okay, sir.
could you follow what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, slightly different from what you said. Doesn't matter. Who is the chairman of SEBI?
Sir, Madhuri Bai
Madhabi
Puri.
Puri Buch. Madhabi
Okay.
Puri
Puri
Buch.
Butch.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
What did you say about your father? What is he?
Sir, he runs a small business. He has a small provisional store.
Oh, correct.
Wholesale
Yeah,
provisional store.
for a provisional shop. Good. That's right. Now, Sushma. I know that day itself I asked you questions about names of personalities in Sushma name.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is. I'm not repeating that. You can get a question from that. Your native place is what? Hassan.
Hassan, sir, Arsikere. Properly.
Acha. Can you name famous personalities from your area?
Sir, if we take Hassan as a district, former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, who was in the tenure, who was Prime Minister of India for 10 months during 1998. Currently,
Don't tell that 10 months and all. Just tell
okay,
Mr. Devagowda, who was Prime Minister earlier of our bank. If they want, let them ask how many months was he. Nobody will ask that. Okay.
Okay, so H.D. Devegowda, sir.
You know why I am telling this.
Yes, sir.
By you are telling 10 months, you are telling he was only for 10 months. So that is doesn't look nice. Come on, continue.
H.D. Devegowda, sir. And we have a film star Yash.
Famous.
Recently, who
That
famous film star
KGF, yeah, I know. Good. Any minister from your state, your district in our Karnataka cabinet?
Sir, now as of now, no, sir.
No, doesn't matter. Good.
Actually, Revana, he is from district of Hassan, who was the PWD minister before BJP government comes.
Acha. Very good. That's nice. Now tell me a few points about any of the deposit schemes of Karnataka Bank you are familiar with.
Okay, sir. Deposits like FD, sir?
Any one deposit scheme with the name that Karnataka Bank has given, because I'm sure you must have gone through the website of Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir. I'll talk about the recent one, sir. That is Amrita Samruddhi fixed deposit, which is introduced by the Karnataka Bank on the occasion of 75th Independence Day.
Fine.
And it is a fixed deposit for the period of 75 weeks with the rate interest of 6.10%.
Correct. 6.10%. That's right. Now, recently, see, deposits are fixed when they are put in fixed deposit. And supposing I want money before the expiry of the period, what should I do? Will I get the money back?
Yes, sir. They'll hold some penalty charges and they'll give back the money.
Yeah, but it seems, I think in India, I think India also it is coming. They are introducing a new type of deposit whereby it is non-closable deposits, non-withdrawable deposits, where they will be paying a higher rate of. Yesterday I saw in Google some article on this. I think I must have shared it in our Telegram page also. 1 minute. I think I must have shared that in Telegram page also. Good. What is the news you read in the recent past?
Sir, recent news that is about NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. It has signed an agreement with UK for the exchange of knowledge on UPI. They are interested in starting UPI in UK also.
Very good.
And Vijay Kumar Balla sir has been continued as the Home Secretary by the Union Ministry.
Very good. Good, 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 good. What are your hobbies? You told again, repeat.
Sir, trekking, cooking, and reading non-fiction books.
Which is the non-fiction book you read recently?
Sir, I have read Karvalo by Purnachandra Tejasvi, son
What
of Kuvempu.
Acha, what is that?
Sir, Karvalo, actually, it is a real incident which took place in Western Ghats about the lizard, flying lizard. There was a scientist who was researching on that, and the consequences what he all faced by the villagers during the research process. That all it is involved in that book.
Very good, very good. Why is your place important?
Sir, our place, it is famous for coconut, actually. Here we nearby have a place called Tipturu, which belongs to Tumkur district, and Asikere. Together it is known as Kalpataru Nadu. Kalpataru in Kannada means coconut land.
Oh, good, good, good.
Coconut and the related industries are they're exported from here.
Very good.
Oil industry, for all that coconut and it is parts are exported from my place, Arsikere.
Good. So, how can I believe that you will be good in convincing my customers and getting more accounts from them?
Sir, actually, I have been a CR of my class during my BSc. BSc days, I have been elected as a class representative and have done it for all the 3 years. I used to actively participate in all the functions. I used to lead them. I used to guide them. I'll try my level best to try convince the customers by telling all the benefits what the positive deposit scheme has. I'll take the suggestion of the officers who are working in the Karnataka Bank so that I can improve myself, and also I'll try to communicate in a very good way with the customers so that they opt for that scheme.
Excellent. Good. You told nicely. Very happy. Now, what are the skills that are required for becoming a very good staff of Karnataka Bank?
So first of all, it is honesty. Honesty is very important as we are dealing with the public money. We should be very calm and patient while dealing with the customers because we'll meet to different types of people. We need to have calm and patience. We must be very attentive while dealing with the work as we are dealing with the public money and all. We should be accurate and we should be punctual on time to the bank so that we can give our service to the 100%.
Good. Now, can you name 5 union ministers?
Sir, Nirmala Sitharaman, who is the corporate affairs and finance minister of India. Amit Shah, who is the home minister of India. Rajnath Singh, who is the, sir, I could not recollect which department he is.
Defense, na?
Defense minister Rajnath Singh. Mansukh Mandviya, who deals with the IT. Piyush Goyal, Commerce Minister. Good. And Smriti Irani, children and women welfare. Good.
Very good. Very good. Can you tell me what is self-help group?
Sir, self-help group are the group of people who create groups for the betterment of the finance, like savings, and they'll get the loans from the NBFCs and even from the banks which are tied up with the NBFCs for the betterment of the vulnerable sectors. Like ladies are the main target of the self-help groups. They create small groups and they save money and they'll get the loans for the small scale industries which ladies can be established.
No, for example, they are what are the various activities in which they are all engaging?
Sir, they are mostly engaged in the preparation of pickles,
Hmm.
local cottage industries, small level of garments,
Hmm.
and the local arts.
Hmm. Very good.
Like we,
Yeah, some people do mamati making, agarbatti making.
yes, sir.
Yeah, then also sheep rearing, goat rearing, something like that. Very good. Dairy, they can do
Yeah,
whatever.
dairy farm.
Then mat making,
Yes, sir.
these things can be done. Good, very nice. Why should I select you?
Sir, as of my knowledge, I am very honesty, and I'll give my 100% service to the bank to grow on my personal level and to grow the bank. And I think I am the suitable candidate because my communication skills are good, which is very important in the bank to deal with the customers. I have the patience to handle the people and support them whatever the needs they want to done from the bank. Customer satisfaction is most important in the bank so that the bank can grow in all the ways.
How many digits are there in debit card, credit cards?
Sir, I think 16.
Correct. Why are you telling I think? You must tell
Okay,
confidently.
16.
16 is the
16.
correct answer. Aadhaar card?
So 12, I think.
If you say think, I won't take it.
12, sir. 12. Actually, I remember my Aadhaar card number, sir.
PAN card?
Sir, 10.
Correct. MICR code?
Sir, 9.
IFSC code?
9.
11.
Yes, sir. Sorry. I'm
11.
confused.
Doesn't matter. No problem. I will close with something which you can answer me correctly. What is the capital of Australia?
Sir, Sydney.
Sydney or Canberra?
Sir, Canberra. I got confused, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, what is the currency of UK?
Euros, sir.
Pound
Sorry,
sterling.
pound sterling. Yeah.
Pound sterling. What is
Okay, sir.
the present CRR?
So 4.5.
Good. Thank you. Best wishes. You did well. But unfortunately, I tried to give some 1 or 2 tough questions. You are not answering 1 or 2 tough questions will not deny appointment for you. If you have done your written test also well, mostly you will get selected. Which
Sir, I
date?
have not got the
Which,
mail to the bank.
you have not received the mail.
No, sir.
You will get it. Don't worry. Because maybe they are doing for your district subsequently. Please check up by posting in our group. Has anybody
Sir,
from Hassan district
yes.
received?
Sir, I have contacted one girl called Purnima. She's from Chitradurga. She told that even she has not got the mail.
Then okay, no worry.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Best
Both are
wishes.
in contact.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Okay, so which are the areas that I can improve, sir?
You know, last you were struggling for some questions, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Some
Ah,
1 or 2 questions I was struggling.
yeah,
With confusion.
those areas. No, that is because of fear. You forget because of fear. Go without fear, you can do very well.
Okay, sir.
90% கிடைக்கும் job.
Okay, sir.
ஆமா. Which date வரல பார்ப்போம், பிறகு பார்ப்போம். Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Roshan, are you there, Roshan?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I will close this and start another one. Sushma, this will be, can we post this in YouTube afterwards?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now we can post, yeah. Because your first video was also there. No?
Yes, sir.
You are doing very well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Roshan.
sir.
Roshan, I will close this and start again. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you.